Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be making another YouTuber's Smackalicious sauce. Shout out to Blove and her Smackalicious sauce, and I hope it turns out really well. It's gonna be for a seafood boil. So here we go. We have a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning, tablespoon of oregano, dry, tablespoon of black pepper, tablespoon of chili flakes, tablespoon of onion powder, tablespoon of garlic powder, tablespoon of brown sugar, and this is organic, tablespoon of Old Bay, tablespoon of chili powder, tablespoon of cayenne pepper, tablespoon of paprika, and a tablespoon of lemon pepper. So just a nice stir, a lot of spices. As you saw, I recorded 4 sticks of butter. We're gonna put it in there, let it simmer, and go from there. But this is supposed to be really good. There's a few other wet ingredients, and you'll see in just shortly how they all come together. So you guys, I have some water boiling in this big pot. Water, lemon, and once it comes to a complete boil, I'm gonna put in the snow crabs and the king crab legs. Okay guys, so as you see, it's a nice little boil. This is the Alaskan king crab. And then this is the snow crabs, and they're both wild caught, so they're not farm raised. I got them in Whole Foods. So I'm just gonna put that in there and let it cook. And it's deep enough, perfect. Hey y'all, so I have some water and chicken bouillon cubes boiling. Well, it's just one in there. 2 cups of water, and it's gonna be part of the recipe for the Blove Smackalicious sauce. So the 4 sticks of butter have melted down, and we're gonna start putting on all the ingredients. First, we're gonna I'm gonna do a tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. So Blove, when she does hers, she doesn't put ginger paste. She does ginger pieces that she uses in sushi and just chops it down. But I feel like the paste is gonna be a little bit more concentrated. So a nice good tablespoon. This one's actually ginger and garlic paste. And then another tablespoon. Then we have a garlic paste, and then I'm going to use a tablespoon of that, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, any brand is fine, tablespoon of I don't have Tabasco, so I used a Texas Pete hot sauce, tablespoon of vinegar. It can also be balsamic, she said. All the dry ingredients. And we're gonna let that sit, and I'm also gonna be putting in half of an onion. Once that all marinates, the sauce will be done, and I'll show you guys the end product. All right, y'all, so the sauce has been cooking down, a nice boil, but I did forget, we have to put the chicken broth in there. This 3/4 cups of chicken broth. And also the onions, and this is half of an onion. I use sweet onions because I like them a little sweet. But you can use whatever type of onion. She used red onions in hers. And once this finishes cooking down, this is gonna be the sauce. So I can't wait to try it. The crab legs have already boiled down, and the shrimp is clean, so should be eating soon. Pause. Hey Sean, so he's gonna be teaching you how to devein a shrimp. These are 8 to 12 in the size, meaning when you buy a pound, you can get 8 to 12 shrimp. So they're pretty big size. You would consider them colossal. They're deveined on one side. He's gonna deshell it. There's no head on them. And as you see, deveined on one side, it's no vein on that side, and he's gonna remove the other poop vein. Because it's so big, it's gonna have two. Perfect, and as he does a thin slice, he can remove that vein and it's gone.
That's it, just like that.
Perfect. Thank you. So the sauce looks really, really good. Shrimp is cooking. I removed the crab legs and removed a lot of the water, so that should be done really soon. I don't want to overcook it. And crab legs have been cut or cooling down because I want to be able to hold them. If they're too hot, then I won't be able to. All right, y'all. So we made the sauce, and it's a lot. It makes a lot. So I just poured a small amount because we can freeze it up to 6 months, and we're gonna try it out. So we'll try it with some shrimp. Sean, you want to try first?
Yeah, let's do it.
Go ahead. While he's doing that,
That juice is really good.
let's see. Good. I hope y'all enjoy. You got a little spice.
Got a little good heat to it.
Nice little heat. All right, until the next one.